If you're playing Knives Out and want to redeem codes for easy rewards, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. It's a simple process and you'll have your bonuses claimed in no time. Start by opening the game on your device and letting the main screen load completely. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner and tap on your avatar. This will open your profile window. Inside that window, tap your avatar again to reveal a few extra settings that aren't visible at first glance. Among those options, look for the redeem code section. Tap on it and a text box will appear. Type the code exactly as you received it or paste it directly to avoid mistakes. Even a small typo can make the code invalid, so take a second to double check everything before submitting. Once the code is in, tap the submit button. The game processes it instantly, and your rewards should pop up right away or be added to your inventory for later use. It's a quick way to collect items, skins, or special bonuses without any extra effort. And that's all you need to do to redeem codes in Knives Out. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more short and simple guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.